Instagram announced recently that an app with the potential to rival Twitter was in the works and would be released this summer. The company confirmed today that the app, called Threads, will now be available this Thursday, July 6. Early users are already sharing glimpses into the platform, which is formulaically similar to Twitter. The great Twitter race began when multi-billionaire tech entrepreneur Elon Musk purchased the platform in the fall of 2022. After a series of controversial moves as CEO of the social giant, which he purchased from Twitter founder Jack Dorsey, Musk stepped down. He appointed former NBC Universal Advertising executive Linda Yaccarino as the new CEO, while he stepped into the role of CTO, Chief Technology Officer. Since Musk's Twitter takeover, several ethical issues have risen on the platform. Looser guidelines and the end of legacy verification have allowed for a wider spread of misinformation and hate speech, issues that are driving thousands of users off the platform. The latest development will limit regular Twitter users to viewing only 600 tweets per day if they do not subscribe to Twitter Blue. The series of issues prompted Twitter's original founder Jack Dorsey to craft Bluesky, an alternative social media network designed to mimic Twitter's original model. Early reviews are largely positive. Then, Meta decided to get in on the race.